but there's nothing you could tell them. Just made a million, got another million on my schedule. No love for them, nigga breaking hearts. No keys, push to start. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's nothing. When I pulled off the lot, that's stunt. I come to town, you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I've been black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Good morning everyone, welcome to our vlog. It's about ICT.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sunny Q. Velasco. What is ICT? ICT, a wide range of technologies used to manage and process information, as well as facilitate communication. This includes devices like computers, smartphones, and tablets, along with software, application networks, and internet-based platforms. ICT enables the acquisition, storage, processing, and dissemination of information, playing a crucial role in various sectors such as communication, business, education, and entertainment. For example, online banking system utilize ICT to allow individuals and business conduct financial transactions conveniently and efficiently through internet-based platforms. Overall, ICT enhances efficiency in connectivity in modern society by enabling seamless communication and access to information.
Good morning, my name is Romel Budino. Ngayon malalaman natin ang 3 differences of Web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. Una muna natin ay yung Web 1.0. Ang Web 1.0 ay unang henerasyon ng World Wide Web na nalalarawan sa pamamagitan ng isang read-only na diskarte, kung saan ang mga user ay makakabasa lamang ng impormasyong available online. Dito lang yung sila, nag-scroll lang sila at nakapokus lang sila sa pagbabasa. Ito yung Web 1.0. Ang nakapaloob sa Web 1.0 ay static na nilalaman, focus ng producer, single read, mga simpleng website, at maliliit na interaktibidad. Next is Web 2.0. Ay ang kasalukuyang henerasyon ng web na kung saan ay nailalarawan sa pamamagitan ng isang mas interactive na diskarte, kung saan ang mga user ay maaaring makipag-ugnayan sa nilalaman at makabuo ng kanilang sariling nilalaman. Ang mga nilalaman ng Web 2.0 ay dynamic na nilalaman, focus ng user, pagbasa at pagsulat, komplikadong mga website, at maraming interaktibidad. Ang Web 2.0 ay madalas na nauugnay sa social network, blogging, e-commerce, na target na advertising, at nilalamang binubun ng gumagamit. Ang mga kumpanyang gumagamit ng Web 2.0 ay madalas na naghahanap upang lumikha ng isang mas kaingganyong karanasan ng user sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng mas personalized at interactive na nilalaman. Ang mga social networking tulad ng Facebook at Twitter ay mga halimbawa ng platform ng Web 2.0 na nagpapahintulot sa mga user na makipag-ugnayan sa nilalaman at sa iba pang mga user. Ang YouTube ay isa pang halimbawa ng isang Web 2.0 platform na nagbibigay daan upang ang mga user ay makabuo ng sariling nilang content at ibahagi ito sa ibang mga user. Yun po ang 2.0. Next is Web 3.0, also known as the third generation internet. It's the next evolution of the World Wide Web. Provides a data-driven semantic web employing a machine-based understanding of data with the object of developing a more intelligent and connected web experience for user. Dito na yung mga nangyayari, yung mga illegal, mga ginagawa ng mga tao. Ito yung sa Web 3.0.
Hello, my name is Elandi Tabara. And topic ko po ngayon ay why is ICT important in your daily life? Apart from communication that is reaching people but far and near, it has also made the work easier and better information and communication technology. ICT is used in most of the fields such as e-commerce and e-government, banking, agriculture, education, medicine, defense, transport, etc. Okay.